Hello everyone, in this project we are going to see LED fade in and out using Arduino. Coming to the circuit, red wire denotes the connection between the positive terminal of LED and the ninth pin of Arduino board. Black wire denotes the connection between the ground of Arduino board to negative terminal of LED. Coming to the working and explanation of the code. Before going into working, let's check the hardware connections. This is the positive terminal of LED and negative terminal of LED. Positive terminal of LED is connected through green jumper wire, which is connected to 9th pin of Arduino board, and brown jumper wire is connecting ground of the Arduino board to the negative terminal of the LED. Now I am going to connect Arduino board to my PC. And the LED is fading in and out with 5 units decrease and 5 units increase at 30 milliseconds of delay. Coming to the code, it's really easy. I have declared 3 variables of integer data type: LED, brightness, fade rate. Fade rate can be anything. Fade rate is nothing but by how many units or points LED brightness is fading out or fading in. And brightness is variable. I am initializing it with 0. Coming to LED, it indicates the LED pin number connected to Arduino, which is 9, and pin mode. I am setting LED pin as output. Though I am using or connecting LED to digital pin, I am using analog write, which can be done. And this is an example which shows that digital pin can act or use analog write function. In analog write, I am using LED pin, which indicates 9th pin, and brightness. Brightness is increased by fade rate. If fade rate is 5 and brightness is 0, for the first loop it will be 0 plus 5, that is, it is fading in, that is, brightness will be increased. If brightness is equals to 0, which occurs when it's fading out, brightness is equals to 255, which is maximum, occurs when it is fading in, that is, when brightness increases to 255 or decreases to 0, fade rate values are interchanged, that is, positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive. Whenever it is 255, fade rate is 255, and it becomes minus 255, and in the next loop, it will be the decreasing function, that is, brightness will be decreasing, and it occurs at 30 milliseconds. Code is available in the description. This is my project. Thank you.